Hi everyone, Dan Toombs here, the Curry Guy, and today I'm going to make onion, chili, and tomato chutney. It's absolutely gorgeous, really nice on kebabs or whatever you want to dip into it. I usually use it for to dip in or to put over dosas. To start with, I'm going to use some urad dal lentils. We're just going to infuse that in the oil. I put about a tablespoon and a half of oil in there and just heat it up my pan. And we're just going to put that in there like that, maybe a little bit more, and just let those start sizzling a bit. Just going to temper in the oil for about 30 seconds. And as you see, they'll start getting a little bit like a light brown. And when they do, when they start toasting a bit, that's the time that you put your onion in. So we're going to put a little bit of onion in here. That will cool the pan down. There we are. I'm going to let these onions cook for about 2 minutes or so until they start getting a little bit soft and it's just smelling nice. You know the smell, the aroma of frying onions. It's absolutely amazing. So this chutney, I absolutely love it. And you'll see how easy it is to make. It's not going to take any time at all. So just do give it a try. Now, the onions are starting to go down now, get a little bit soft, and like I say, it's been about a minute now. Really doing well. And I'm going to add some garlic cloves. And they're just going to go right in there and start getting browned as well. We don't want to burn the garlic cloves, so we're just going to cook in there until they become a little bit of a light brown. And then these are 8 dried chilies, which I soaked in water for about 10 minutes. I removed most of the seeds. You don't have to if you really like it spicy. I'm going to put those in there too. There. Yeah, cook those all in there. I'm going to add a little bit salt. I might touch that up later, but we'll see. Getting a nice brown color there. So, as you can see, the garlic, which I kind of smashed to begin with, is starting to get brown, and it's also softer. It's much softer, which is what we're looking for. It mellows the flavor of the garlic. So, can't remember how much I put in there. 5 or 8 pieces of garlic. Put in as much as you like. If you like garlic, put a lot more in. It's not going to hurt anything. All right, now that's about ready. So I'm going to get my blender here. And I've got 400 grams of chopped tomatoes. And I'm just going to take all this and start filling it in there. All right, turn that off, and I will plug this in. And we're just going to blend. All right then, that's it. Go ahead and put this right back into where I had the garlic. Give it a try. Seriously, you gotta try this one. So easy, so good, and it just takes minutes to make. And I'm going to be showing you something really good using this on a dosa in a future video. In fact, you'll find it right there. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you back here. Thanks a lot.